Hello Aries, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Aries, this is your timeless reading. This is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, we'll be focusing on love messages, especially if there is a no contact situation. What do you need to know? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know? What your person is truly thinking and feeling about you, what are their intentions and what are their actions. Okay, we'll also pull out some oracle cards and we'll see what are the messages for you. So, Aries, we have Knight of Wands. I'm going to lay down the cards first. Okay, then we have the Emperor, then we have Page of Pentacles, then we have the Five of Wands, the Fool, and the Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, we have Page of Cups. Aries, it's very likely that you might be dealing with another Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. And by the way, this reading is also applicable for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Or I do see a Sagittarius, for some of you, Virgo, Taurus. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. I do feel, Aries, that there is a lot that is going on in your person's life right now. Your person is required to deal with a lot of situations and circumstances. So, if your person is silent and if there is a no contact for a long time, or if you're wondering, like after breakup, what is going on in this person's life, is this person thinking about me or not? Yes, this person is indeed thinking about you. In fact, this person is thinking about you a lot, and that is one of the reason that this person is trying to free himself or herself from whatever is going on in his or her life at the moment. Okay, like your person's attention is demanded by too many people. Especially, I do feel that there is some sort of a domestic conflict that is going on. There is something related to family which has caused some sort of unrest, and this person, somewhere they are experiencing emotional breakdown, owing to a lot of reasons. First of all, because of your absence in their life, they are missing you a lot, and they fear that, while they are busy dealing with their family issues or a couple of other things which are demanding their attention at the moment, they don't want you to move on, and that will be their biggest mistake, and that will be the biggest regret of their life. They want to take a strong leap of faith towards you. Okay, but again, whenever they think of coming towards you, there is a new problem, there is a new issue that crops up, and they are required to pay attention to that. I do feel like their family is trying to keep them, is trying to tie them down. Okay, their family probably doesn't like the fact that uh, they are dealing with you, or their family doesn't approve of the connection that they share with you. Okay, and their family has also noticed that this person probably you know probably was changing for better, but maybe their family members are very toxic, and their family members doesn't want this person to change for better. Their family members want to exercise a lot of control over your person, and when they saw that uh, that your person was getting influenced by you much more than by them, that was pinching them a lot. Okay, so I do feel like this person has some toxic family members. However, this person is definitely realizing that their family members are toxic. If not family members, maybe friends or colleagues, from whom they have solicited opinion regarding this connection. But there are this person at the moment is surrounded by some toxic people for sure, and this person is trying to free himself or herself from those toxic people, and they want to take a strong leap of faith towards you and come towards you and rebuild this connection with you. Okay, probably in the past this person was also a bit in and out of the relationship, or this person had you I mean, you experienced a lot of moods. They had a lot of mood swings, they had a lot of temperamental issues, and that also brought in a lot of uncertainty in the connection. Maybe you were the only one who was um bringing in a lot of stability. This person was experiencing happiness and peace in their life only because of you, whereas somewhere you felt like you had to take up a major chunk of the responsibility, and somewhere you were feeling like this person was not putting in enough of efforts to make you happy. Okay, or you felt like this person was taking you for granted. For some of you, this person also put you in a third party situation, but this person is moving away from the third party situation. For sure, if there are toxic people, toxic family members, friends, or anyone else that was stopping this person from coming towards you, or if at all there was a third party situation, a romantic third party situation, because of which this person was not able to come towards you, this person is leaving all of those. Okay, either they are leaving all of those, or they are like, enough, I'm not going to listen to any one of you. I'm going to do what I want to do. And at the moment, I want to come towards Aries because I love Aries. I want to be with Aries. I cannot think of my life without Aries. So come what may, I'm coming towards Aries. Okay, and this person is coming towards you. This person will come towards you with a light-hearted energy. That's what I'm getting. There is a lot of flirting involved. This person might even come towards you with certain gifts. Maybe this person realized that they did not gift you enough, or they did not invest in you enough, or they did not do anything to make you stay. So I think so they will start showing their appreciation to you by gifting you something, small gifts as a token of appreciation. Okay. This person also loves the fact that you are so independent and you're not dependent on anybody for your own needs. And it's quite possible that you might have gotten relocated somewhere at the moment, and this person appreciates your freedom. This person appreciates your independence a lot. This person appreciates your strong, bold, courageous personality, and they feel inspired by you. Okay, and that is why they are also thinking of taking a strong leap of faith towards you, or moving in a direction which is like freedom is calling them. Right? That's what I'm feeling. Deep down, both of you are missing one another. There is still a lot of attraction. There is still some unfinished business between both of you. I do feel some important conversations need to happen between both of you, Aries. Okay, and this important conversation will happen, but this person will free himself or herself from something, and then they will come towards you. Let's see what are your feelings, or what are this person feelings when it comes to this connection, or this uh, love for you. Holding on, I need some time to think about it. I need some time. They're thinking about how they can come towards you. Okay, and also they are dealing with a lot of stuff. Togetherness, I want to come closer and spend time with you. I think so. I'm hearing that this person like you guys want, they are thinking of going on a retreat, going away somewhere with you for 2 3 days. Okay, just spending some time with you, just you and them, something of that sort. That's what I'm getting. Spying, collecting information about you. Yes, this person is collecting a lot of information about you. Lot of information about you, Aries. They are definitely spying. Crossroads, you have to choose one. Decide carefully. For some of you, if this person had put you in a third party situation, maybe, or maybe maybe you might have moved on, and this person is asking you, like, Aries, you have to decide what is it that you want. It's me or the other new person. Okay, so I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread, Aries. Okay, this is your spread. Take care, have a great time, and bye.